Everyone's talking about climate change, but what is our climate and why is it changing?
Is running out. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere now is 50% higher than it was in 1900. And not only are we pioneering
Climate change describes a change in the average conditions such as temperature and rainfall in a region over a long period of time.
we're going to destroy the ground because the soil of a rainforest isn't very good. We are actually tampering with the climate of the earth and with the very atmosphere that we breathe. When we talk about the disappearance of the ozone layer, we don't know what will happen when the ozone layer goes.
Cause of climate change. The main cause of climate change here in the Philippines, it can burns out fossil fuel such as gas, oil, and coal, and more likely due in the human activities. Kapag nagsusunog yung mga tao ng mga fossil fuel, ito yung nakagiging sanhi ng climate change. So, yung ating carbon dioxide and ating planeta is umiinit. Kaya dapat maging aware tayo ng pagsusunog sa ating mga fossil fuel para hindi siya maging harmful sa ating nature.
Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ng climate noon sa climate na nararanasan natin ngayon? The Earth's climate before were different sa kung ano man ang experience natin ngayon. We all know that climate change is inevitable, and these changes happened many times in our planet as years passed by. But million years ago, the sun was cooler, and the Earth was generally warmer because of the gases na nakapalibot sa atmosphere. But in today's climate, it is about as fast as the temperature swings that have happened in Earth's past. The heat increased rapidly, the snow covers and glaciers are shrinking, the seas are warming and arising, and even a factor for the occurrence of natural disasters.
So next po is, what are the changes in climate change? So I will give you 3 examples of changes in climate change. So first is intense droughts. What is intense drought? How climate change contributes to drought, warmer temperatures enhance evaporation, which reduces surface water and dries out soil and vegetation. So ginagawa nitong mas tuyo ang mga panahon po na may mababang pag-ulan kaysa sa mas malamig na mga kondisyon. So binabago din ng pagbabago ng klima ang oras ng pagkakaroon po ng tubig. Next po is water scarcity. Water scarcity is the lack of fresh water resources to meet the standard water demand. So meron po tayong dalawang uri po ng water scarcity. Ito po ay ang physical or economic water scarcity. So ang physical po, nakakapusan ng tubig ay kung saan walang sapat po na tubig upang matugunan po ang lahat ng pangangailangan. So kabilang po dito ay ang kailangan para gumana po ng effective ang mga ecosystem.
I will discuss 3 things we can do to prevent climate change. Number 1, plant trees. As trees grow, they help stop climate change by removing carbon dioxide from the air. Number 2, recycle, reuse, and reduce. Using reusable products instead of disposable helps to reduce waste. For example, we should stop using plastics at the grocery store. Instead, we can use paper bag to reduce plastics in the world.
Protests around the world, headlines about extreme weather events, scientists and public figures calling for action, and governments uniting in the search for solutions. Climate change is a global issue, and we must work together to save our world.